still don't understand why you're strongly opposed to my marrying Udoka. She's a nice girl, very intelligent and highly responsible too. I love her, Dad, and I know she loves me too.
Listen, son. Marriage is not an issue of love. It is an issue of position, connection. You see, you get married because of where you want to go and how you want people to regard you. Imagine the children of the two most influential families coming to get married. That's something to
It may be good to you, Dad, but it means nothing to me. I love Udoka, Dad. And love knows neither class nor position.
Anyway, that is my position. You must marry the princess. She is my choice or you.
And my choice is Udoka. And nothing can change it.
Maggie! I call the shots here. You must do what I want you to do.
Maybe you should reconsider your position.
There is nothing to reconsider here, woman. Is it because I'm allowed you to set up a hospital here? I will not go back on my word this time around.
I perfectly agree with you. Nine, you have been a wonderful husband, a good father. You have so understanding and caring. Please, Nine, Uzoma's happiness is very important. Let us take a second look into this issue. Remember, he's our only son, our only child. If getting married to Udoka is what will make him happy, please, Nai, it is not so much a price for us to pay. Please, my dear.
Listen, we almost late. Are you coming with me or not? You can stay back if you want to.
Akudo! See how dirty the whole compound is. Don't they sweep it? Akudo! Akudo!
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I hope all is well.
All is well. Have I ever come here without good news?
No. So that means you have good news for me today.
Yes. Exactly.
Yes. Okay. If that is the case, let us go inside. You're welcome. Come in. Please be seated. Nani Ijika and Nani Obas. What is the good news you have brought for me?
We have received word from Ugumba clan that they will be visiting your house this coming Orie,
That is 3 days from today.
Ugumba. Why?
They seek the hand of your stepdaughter to Udoka in marriage. Eh? And can you guess who the person is?
Who?
Uzoma. Uzoma, the young doctor himself, is about to be her in-law.
I wish her father were alive to see this day. Oh, by the way, where is Udoka?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know her whereabouts.
What is that supposed to mean?
Huh? I mean that I don't know where she is. She just packed and left.
Our daughter, under your care, left this compound, and you didn't bother to let us know. Hey!
What am I supposed to do? Eh? Am I to leave everything I'm doing to start babysitting Udoka at her age?
Akudo, if she were your own daughter, will you sit down and talk this rubbish to us?
Ask her.
Ask her.
Hey!
May Amadioha have mercy on you. If by nightfall you do not bring back Udoka to this compound. Obviously, let's go.
Akudo.
Do I know where she is? Eh? Do I know where she is? You are lucky I did not sweep you out of my compound. Sense.
I hope there's no problem.
No problem. It's about Udoka. I know where she is.
Where is she?
My mother sent her away, so she went to the palace to stay.
You mean your mother sent her away and lied to us that she left on her own?
What did she do at the palace?
Adorama is her friend. So when my mother sent her away, she went to stay with her.
Hey! Akudo. Akudo.
Chika, you can go now.
Okay, thank you. Akudo. She will definitely get whatever she's looking for in this kindred. Idika, I think we should call the attention of the elders. Then get back Udoka.
Yes. Huh? Certainly we will do that. We will do that.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Why did you send your daughter out of the house? Did you know that anything could have happened to her at that time of the night?
I did not send her anywhere, Your Highness. Your Highness, that's a lie.
Young lady, you will speak only when you are asked to.
Sorry, Your Highness.
Go on.
Your Highness, she packed her things and left the house because I threatened to beat her for stealing my money. You cannot even keep anything in the house without it being stolen. She tells lies. She's lazy. And she has even formed the habit of following the young men of the village. How do you know? Daddy, excuse me. I've known Udoka for long, and she is not that kind of person.
Adora, are you saying the stepmother is not telling the truth?
That's not what I'm saying, but I've known Udoka for long, and she has never exhibited such traits.
That's all right. That's all right, Adora. Akodu, Udoka is still your daughter. No matter what you say she has done. If she errs in correcting her, you must remember that you have the responsibility of a father and a mother towards her. Miss Agnes.
Yes, Your Highness.
And you, Udoka, you must begin to learn to behave responsibly. Is that clear?
Yes, Your Highness.
You may take your daughter home. And do not let me hear any more of that nonsense again from your family. Is that clear?
Thank you, Your Highness.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Can she stay with me tonight? I have a lot of catch-up to do.
She leaves tomorrow.
Joe! What's up? Have you seen Udoka?
Udoka? She should be at her house.
She's not there. I was there this morning and the stepmother said she didn't come home last night.
But you told me you were seeing her off to her house last night, didn't you?
Of course I did. I even watched her enter the compound.
I am sure she's in the house. Maybe the stepmother doesn't want her to see you.
Why is that? What's wrong with that woman? Why is she so mean and heartless? Would you believe that she even offered me her daughters?
Her daughters?
Look, she said I could date either of them or even both of them if I wanted.
The daughters? Not one but two?
Listen, Joe, this is not a laughing matter.
I'm sorry.
I just have to get Udoka out of the house as soon as possible.
Yeah, it's very important. It's very, very important. But I think that woman is the devil. It's very important.
Is your grandmother at home?
Yeah, she's there.
How is she faring? Let me see.
I'm sure. You know my father talks to her. So.
Okay.
Good look. I'll miss you. Take care of yourself, all right? And remember, I'm always there for you if you need anything. If you need anything, just let me know, okay?
Thank you very much. You're so wonderful. I wish I could never pay you back.
Pay me back for what? Udoka, our friendship is a line that continues to stretch. It will never be broken.
I know, but I still wish I would be able to pay you back someday.
Listen, you don't have to pay me back anything. Being my friend is more than enough for me. All right? Listen, just take care of yourselves. If you have any problem, let me know.
I will. Thank you very much. I'll miss you.
I'll miss you. Take care of yourself.
I will.
Okay, take care.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. I'll come around.
I'm sorry for what my mother and Choma have done to you.
It's okay. At least you've always been there for me.
I really would have loved to do more, though. my mother just wouldn't let me.
See, you've shown me enough love and affection. And I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Udo, I forgot to tell you. Dr. Uzo was here looking for you. But Mama told him you didn't return from the party. Are you serious? Welcome, Dr. Uzo.
How are you?
I'm fine. Please excuse me.
Yudi, what happened to you? I mean, why didn't you leave a message that you were at the palace? I was so worried about you. You couldn't even come over to my place.
Uzo, I came to your place in the middle of the night, and your father threw me out of the house.
My father did what? I had no idea. Oh, God.
I was too angry. I didn't see any need in sending any words across to you.
I'm so sorry, Yudi. I'm so sorry about the way my father treated you. A lot of things have happened since that time. My dad has finally come to realize just how much I love you and how much you mean to me.
What do you mean?
Our love has finally triumphed.
Where can it be?
Obidia! Obidia!
Your Highness, I hope there's no problem.
Have you seen my secret staff anywhere?
Your secret staff? It should be with you.
It is not with me. I have looked everywhere for it.
Adora! Adora!
Adora, did you see your father's secret staff? No. Were you always with it, Dad?
My dear, I have looked everywhere for it.
Ulama, call the maids. Call all of them. Okay, Your Highness.
It is sacrilege. Sacrilege for the secret staff not to be found.
Your Highness, did any of you see the Igwe secret staff anywhere in this house? No, Your Highness. What? Your Highness, perhaps Udoka might have taken it.
Are you out of your mind?
Princess, I saw Udoka around the sacred room before she left. I asked her what she was doing there, and she said she was looking for you.
Looking for me?
Yes, Princess.
But I wasn't anywhere around there.
The very essence of Igboeze will be threatened if this secret staff is not found. Get it out.
Your Highness, perhaps we should send some of the guards to check Udoka's house. Remember what the stepmother told us about her? That girl might be a kleptomaniac.
Oh, Mommy, but what would she possibly do with the sacred staff?
Well, I don't care what anyone wants to do with it. Adora, you will go with the guards to Udoka's house and search it thoroughly. Now! I say go!
Wait now, your sister will soon come back from the market. Here she comes now. Chika, did you bring the food stuff?
Yes, ma'am. Well, Mama said she will come later and collect her.
Okay, go and cook it. Be fast now, I'm hungry. Hey! Stop there. Look at you. Just look at you. You ungrateful thing. So the reward I get from trying to make you a responsible person is to report me to Igwe and to tell lies about me. Not so.
I did not report you to anyone, man. I didn't tell any lies again.
Will you shut up that your dirty lying mouth? If you think that because Igwe's daughter is your friend, you can talk back at me, I will descend on you with my stick, as you now know that I'm your mother and your father.
Ada,
where's my father's secrets?
I don't understand you.
Uloma said she saw you around the secret room, and now my father's secret staff is missing. Where is it? That's a lie!
It's true, my princess. I saw her around the sacred room. And when I asked her what she was doing there, she said she was looking for you.
Hey! That's not true now. That's a lie. So you have gone out there to show your true color, eh? Eudoka! Thief!
Princess, you know that is a lie. You know me too well. All through the period I was in your father's palace, I was in your room. What would I be doing with your father's staff?
We'll soon find out. Search the place. Udoka! What you better why it is?
Are you doubting me? Are you doubting me? You know me too well. You know I would never possibly steal anything.
What are those people doing in our house now?
Come on, ask her. She is a thief!
That's not
Mama, look at it, oh!
We have seen
Udoka, see yourself.
Princess,
See yourself.
you see what I've seen? Look at it. Your father's staff.
Hey!
Udoka,
see yourself.
I don't know anything about this stuff. I don't know.
Will you shut up, you liar? Thief! Ingrate! Udoka! Udoka! So you have brought shame and disgrace to this family. Eh? Hey!
I swear on my mother's grave, I don't know anything about this stuff. Believe me, I don't know anything about it. I don't know.
Udoka, you should be ashamed of yourself. You betrayed my hospitality. You betrayed our friendship. I'm so disappointed. How could you?
Ada, believe me. You know I would never do a thing like this now. Hey, Ada, you know me. You know I could never do a thing like this, Ada. Believe me. Seriously, I don't know anything about it.
Guards, take her to the palace. Take her!
I didn't do it. Please, I didn't do it.
That's my business.
I didn't do it.
Guys, take her! Take her! Please! Take her! Udoka!
I did not do it. And now you know me. You know I've never done anything like this before. I didn't do it. Please.
Not speak to me. You pretender. Who thinks he is, Udoka? I never knew you were a thief. You have betrayed my trust in you. You have betrayed our friendship. You're a disappointment, Udoka. How could you?
Please believe me. I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
Young lady. You betrayed my hospitality and spat on my honor. The very one that gave you shelter, you touched it with fire. You had the audacity and the temerity to steal my sacred staff, the very essence of Igboeze. Ha! It is heinous crime. You should be put to death. But because you are young, I shall not do that. Oh, but you will wish you were dead. It is my judgment that you be banished, uprooted forever from Igboeze land. And if you ever step foot on any part of Igboeze land, you shall surely be put to death. Igwe! Take her away.
I didn't do it. Please, I did not do it. I did not do it, Anna, please. Please, don't do this to me. I didn't do it. Anna, please, do not do it. I didn't do it. Anna, I didn't do it. 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 I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I'm innocent.
Sister.
I'm innocent. I'm innocent.
People of Igboeze, the culprit has been banished forever in Igboeze. Take her to the boundary.
Udoka, did you do it?
No. I'm not a thief. I didn't
But they
do
said
it.
you stole the Igwe's sacred staff.
I did not.
How come they found it in your possession?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Please,
I'm
please,
not a thief. Please help me.
Please, my people, wait. We have to get to the root of this matter.
No! Our Igwe has announced his final judgment that this girl must have to be banished out from this
Uzo, I did not do it. Please help me. You must help me, Uzo, please.
What do you want me to do?
Uzo, please. Talk to the Igwe. Tell him to convince him that I did not do it, Uzo. Uzo, you know I'm innocent. I didn't do it.
How did the sacred staff get in your possession?
Uzo, I don't know, please. Please, Uzo, I don't know. You must believe me. Please. Uzo, help me, please. I don't have anybody to go to. You're the only one to talk for me.
You spent 2 nights at the palace. All of a sudden, the Igwe staff got missing. It was later found in your bedroom. And you're telling me you do not know how it got there?
Uzo, believe me, I don't know. Don't you trust me again? Uzo, believe me, I don't have any other person to go to.
Listen, I'm sorry, but I'm confused. I don't know what to believe anymore. I don't know what to believe.
Uzo, please, I don't have anybody to talk for me. I don't have anybody else.
I have to find out the truth, okay?
Uzo, what truth are you talking about? Don't you trust me? Uzo, don't leave me here, please. Uzo, don't leave me here, please. Don't leave me here, Uzo. Uzo, please don't leave me here, please. Uzo, don't leave me here. Please don't leave me here. Uzo, please, Uzo. I did not do it. I did not do it. I didn't do it. Gods of ancestors, let me witness in my own tribulation. Let the truth stand between me and the people responsible for my travails. May their joy be cut short at the height of expectation. May sorrows and miseries be their companion. Let my innocence vindicate me. God of people, do not forsake me. God of ancestors, do not forsake me. Do not forsake me. Never. Make it up. Mama! Make it
Son. Why are you sitting here this night, looking so gloomy? Is it that girl?
You don't know how it feels, Dad. You just don't know how it feels. For so many years, I've longed for the day that I'll have her as my wife.
That's why we should celebrate and thank God. No doubt, if you had married her, she would have brought shame and disrepute to this family. Oh, yeah?
I loved her, Dad. And I trusted her.
As she betrayed your trust and love, someone is at the gate. Matthew! Somebody's at the gate. Check who's there. Here, you see, son. What I want you to understand is this. When one door closes, several other doors open.
Dad.
Good evening, sir.
Oh, good evening. To what do we owe this honor from the palace?
It is the princess, sir.
Really?
It is her desire to have an important discussion with Dr. Ozoma at the palace tomorrow.
Well, I don't think I'll be able to.
I'll tell the princess that he will be there.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. All right. Good night, sir.
Thank you very much.
Doctor, the princess will be expecting you in the morning. Have a nice night, sir.
Good night.
Dad.
Yes.
Don't I have the right to choose whomever I want to see anymore?
Of course, son. You do have the right. It's just that the princess may not be feeling too well. You should see her. You should. Okay? All quiet, son. Don't stay here for too long. I'm expecting you inside, okay?
Tell me, how has it been being a doctor in a community hospital? I would have thought someone as handsome and dashing as you are would practice in a big city hospital.
Well, thanks for the compliment. I just felt my services would be better utilized here where it is needed most.
Very impressive. Very noble too. Would you like to have some more wine after this?
Oh, no. This is even too much for me. I'm not much of a drinker.
I see. Come with me. I have a surprise for you upstairs.
Princess?
Yeah?
Thanks for launching for the drink. But I have to leave now. I have some patients coming over to the hospital soon.
Come on, it won't take time. I just want to show you something.
So, where is the surprise you have for me?
Well, the surprise is I'd like us to get to know each other. We'll have a lot in common, you and I.
What does that mean?
It means you're my ideal man. You're tall. You're handsome. And very sensual.
Don't you think you're going a bit too far? I mean, you're asking for the impossible.
What makes it impossible?
Listen, Princess. I like you as a person. and also Udoka's friend. But I do not love you, and I cannot love you.
Why? Am I not attractive enough? Listen, Uzo. I'll give you anything. Anything a woman can possibly give. I'm all yours.
You don't seem to understand. I don't want to have anything to do with any other woman after Udoka.
What is it about Udoka? Don't let the memories of that thief come between us, for Christ's sake. She betrayed me as much as she betrayed you, Uzo. Can't you see? Can't you see?
Enough is enough. I have to leave now.
I don't have much time. Tell your father that his terms are not acceptable to me.
Wait. Hago, what exactly do you want? Name it. What do you want?
I want the cashew plantation beside the Amore River when your father becomes a Igbo.
But isn't that asking for too much? The cashew plantation is...
Listen to me, Eke. Nothing is too much for the risk I'm prepared to take. Igwe Amore trusts his life with me. If I have to betray him, then it must be worth it. The cashew plantation or nothing.
Wait. Very well then. The cashew plantation will be yours when my father becomes the Igwe.
But will your father agree to my terms?
Yeah. My father will agree to your term. So, how do you intend to carry out this job?
I shall think of something.
Think?
Why don't you poison his food? You're very close to him.
Igwe Amore will know if his food is poisoned.
How? How do you know?
He will know. Just take my words.
That's it. I got the idea. What if we stab him with a poison dagger? Yes. I could make one available. Tinged with the viper's venom.
Not a very bad idea.
So, this is what I think. Tomorrow I shall visit the Igwe of Amore with a message of peace and reconciliation from my father. The dagger will be hidden in the present. You shall accept it as his aid. There and then, strike.
Splendid. This is a very bright idea.
Shut up, Buchi. I wasn't talking to you.
I'm sorry, my prince.
You better be. So, is the time acceptable to you?
With the cashew plantation, I think it's acceptable.
So, we have a deal.
We have a deal. I must return to the palace at once.
Take care of yourself.
Excuse me. Please, I'm looking for the palace.
You are certainly not from this village, are you?
No, I'm not.
That's why you're looking for the palace. Sorry, we don't show strangers our palace.
Hey, but please, I must go to the palace. It's a matter of life and death, please.
Whose life and whose death?
My life and death.
Okay. Go straight, eh? You see a giant ukwaji tree. Come to your right, that's our palace.
Okay, if I go left.
It's not left, straight!
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Most welcome. Oh, yes.
You're welcome.
Uba, I have been wondering why we have not seen you here for a while. Yes, it's not easy running an international empire from the village. You can say that again. Adora, what have you been eating that is making you look so radiant?
It's the American food she ate.
No, Lola, it is your cooking since she came back.
My dear son, how is the clinic faring?
Well, I'm trying my best to meet up with the health needs of our people, Your Majesty.
Yes, well done. Very well done.
Uzoma, would you like to join me upstairs for a drink?
Go on, son. Come on, go ahead, okay? Yes, fine.
Don't they make a nice bed? And they will make you better.
Obviously, it will be a marriage made in heaven. Oh, exactly.
Uzoma, relax, okay? Relax and enjoy your drink. I'm not going to eat you up.
Doka, I'm sorry, Adora. Listen, you're a very nice and elegant lady. But the best we can be is friends. My heart already belongs to someone else.
That's not true. So, no, that's not true. We belong to each other. You're just not giving me a chance to prove it.
There's nothing to prove, can't you see? Look, it's obvious that nothing can work out between us. I mean, I've told you before that I don't love you.
Uzoma, you can learn to love me. Okay? The most important thing is that we belong to each other. Okay? Give me a chance, Uzoma. Give us a chance. And you won't regret it.
Wonderful. It's been a fruitful visit.
Exactly. I cannot wait to see that day.
You know.
What day are you talking about?
Oh, my son. Your mother and I have concluded with the day on your marriage to Princess Adora.
In fact, the date has already been fixed.
That's right.
How could you fix a date for my wedding without my consent?
Listen, son. It is in our best interest. What's done is done.
Your Highness, I come in peace.
I welcome you in peace.
Thank you, Your Highness. Your Highness, I come with message of peace and reconciliation from my father, Ichie Okoromadu. My father says that a man can only become the Igwe when the gods and ancestors ordained him. My father says that you have been ordained by the gods and ancestors of our land, Amoria. That is why this rancor must stop between both families.
That is good to hear, Your Highness.
My father says that he is no longer interested in contesting the throne with you. He also asks for your understanding and friendship so that peace and harmony will reign in the land of Amoria.
We must be thankful to God for good judgment and reasoning.
Yes.
Tell your father that I received his message with gladness of heart. I always look for peace and progress to reign in Amoria. If the gods and the ancestors decree for peace, who am I to say no?
Exactly, Your Highness. It's peace we want, and peace we must get.
Your Highness, thank you so much. It is the desire of my father that you accept this token of peace, that we may continue to live in harmony in this land. Uchi, present Your Highness with the gift.
Tell your father that I with joy and
Your Highness, what is the meaning of this?
Oh, you should know. Agu, I trusted you with my life. And you repay me with betrayal.
Your Highness, I've always been loyal to you.
Unaku!
Unaku! Your Highness!
This is my savior from the gods. She had when you and Agu were discussing who to kill.
Igwe, I can explain, Igwe.
There's nothing to explain. Take them out.
Your Highness.
Stay there.
Your Highness. Remember the Amazon War. Your Highness.
Take them.
Indeed, the gods never sleeps.
They don't.
I thought the stranger was lying.
My child, you've earned yourself a special place in my palace. Let it be proclaimed in the whole corners of Amoria that a stranger has become a daughter I never had. She is the savior of this sacred throne. And henceforth, she should be called Princess Nzokutam.
Chioma! Chioma! Mama! Come here. Chioma.
I am going for the women's meeting. Make sure Chika fetches water and fills up all those pots behind. And you do the cooking.
No, Mama. Let Chika cook. I'll fetch water.
All right, whichever way you want it. Make sure you will do all I've told you to do.
Okay,
I'm going.
Mama, do you know that this dress is fine on you?
So it fits me, yeah?
Yes. I look fine.
Thank you, my daughter.
They'll be looking at you.
Bye-bye, ma.
I know how difficult it is for you to take a decision. And I know how much you love Udoka. But she's gone, and gone for good.
Listen, Joe, she may be gone, but a part of her still lives with me. I can't even get myself to forget that girl.
Listen, Uzo, you still have your life to live. Moreover, your parents expect you to...
Expect me to do what? What do they expect me to do, Joe? We're talking about my life here, my future.
I know they still want the best for you. Uzo, but if you ask me, I don't think Adora is a bad catch. I mean, the babe fine. She's okay. She's cool.
But I don't love the girl. Don't you understand? I don't love her. Besides, I can't go out of my way to marry a girl I don't even have any feelings for just to please my parents. What about my own happiness?
Okay. It's all right. Please yourself. Do what you like. Do what you want to do. I just wish you the best. That's all.
It's okay. Well, for Mama, with the medication I've given her so far, very soon she's going to sleep off. Okay. As soon as she sleeps, take her inside so that she'll have a very long rest.
Okay, I will.
But when she wakes up, get her some fruits and then make some good food for her to eat.
I will do that.
All right.
Okay.
Well, I should be on my way to the clinic. Right? Okay. All right.
Do you know what? What? Adora, your wedding to Dr. Uzo is going to be the wedding of the century. Listen, your father has already arranged for important personalities from far and wide to grace the occasion.
But Mommy, why can't we have something small? You know, just a nice small family affair with Uzo's family and our family.
Why? Have you forgotten who you are? You are the daughter of the great Akalugo himself. The golden gong of Ibeze. Listen, my dear. The whole world must hear the sound of your wedding.
But we're talking about my marriage here, Mommy. And I think I should have a say on how it is done.
Well, I agree. But I think the bigger, the louder, the better. Oh dear.
Mommy, I think I should talk to Daddy about this. This is my marriage, for Christ's sake, and this is how I want it.
Daddy,
Serious matter. What do we do about it?
There is nothing else we can do. You remember we have called 3 herbalists, and they say there is nothing they can do.
But Uncle, why don't we call Dr. Uzoma to look at her? He may be able to help us. Please, Uncle.
What do you know, my daughter? This is not something for modern medicine. I think your mother's ill health, there is something more in it.
Exactly. How can she just bust out in boils just like that? The suddenness baffles me.
Uncle.
Does it mean we will all sit here and do nothing? Uncle, can't you see she's getting worse? Please, Uncle, do something. Do something.
No, stop crying, Chama.
Mama.
We will do something.
Chama,
We will do something.
don't cry. We'll do something about her. We will.
We will. We will.
Ichie, I want my we must see.
This is very nice. I'm sure Uzo will like it.
But I think
the accessories.
I think the one your mother brought will be more appropriate, my princess. You know this is a traditional wedding, and you should dress more like a true princess.
Oh, Mama, there's nothing wrong with what I'm wearing. It's actually beautiful. Can't you see?
Okay. Take this. Traditional outfit glitters.
You think so?
You know I won't deceive you, my princess. I won't.
Well, you're like a sister to me, you know. Tell me the truth. Do you think I'm doing the right thing by marrying Uzo despite everything that happened?
Don't forget who you are. You are a princess. The golden gong of Ibueze. The sweet sound of the royal family. Whatever you want is what you should get. You're doing the right thing, my princess, and I'm happy for you.
Thank you very much. Aren't you going to get dressed yourself?
You know today is your day, and I want you to get dressed first. Come, let's try this.
Okay.
My people, today is a very, very important day in the history of Ibueze. The day when the golden gong, my dearest daughter, Princess Adora, becomes one with the first and only doctor in Ibueze, Dr. Uba. This marriage undoubtedly has been ordained by the gods and the ancestors of Ibueze. Let us have music. Today marks a new beginning in your life. Thank you. Here is a special drink. Search for the man you have decided to spend the rest of your life with. Then give it to him to drink.
The music, I have something important to say. Your Highness, elders of all, I came here today with so much confusion in my mind. I know that my parents want the best for me. Princess Adora here is one of the most beautiful women I've ever seen. Nevertheless, confusion is finally over. Well, I agree that marriage is a union between two families. The individuals involved must be in agreement and should also be in love. I, Dr. Uzoma Uba, cannot consent to an arranged marriage. I do not love Princess Adora. Therefore, Your Highness, elders of our land, Mom and Dad, I am sorry, this marriage can never work.
Don't do this to me!
You can't do this to me.
Don't do this to me.
Take her in! Take her in!
Doctor, what is this? What is the cause of this ailment?
Doctor, you are the cause. You have to tell us what you've done to my daughter.
I did not do anything to her. You all were there.
Well, that is in the past. Now tell me, Doctor, what is wrong with my daughter?
Your Highness, from the results of the test carried out on her yesterday, there is no explanation to her condition. All the results indicate that she's supposed to be in perfect health.
Then, why is she like this? Why is she infected with all these spots? Doctor, why?
Why?
Honestly, I do not know. Your Highness, I strongly suggest that we take her to a specialist hospital in the city as soon as possible.
I agree with that. I think you should go ahead and make all the necessary arrangements. Yes. I must get in touch with the Oracle priest to get to the root of this mysterious ailment.
Your Highness, time is of the essence. What exactly will the Oracle priest do?
My dear doctor, if there's a spiritual angle to this illness, the priest will find it.
Seriously speaking, don't you think that what transpired at the palace that day has something to do with the princess' present condition of health?
Joe, how could you talk like this? I mean, what has my statement at the traditional wedding got to do with her present skin condition?
So what is wrong with her?
I can't say for now, until she's taken to the city for a specialist examination and treatment. I've already made arrangements for that.
Medusa, I have to be frank with you. What you did that day was very, very insensitive.
Joe, I just couldn't go ahead with the wedding.
Doctor, my mother. You must come and see my mother.
What is wrong with her?
I don't know. She's weak. She can't even talk. She can't eat. Doctor, there are things like balls on her skin. I don't know what is wrong with her. Come and see her for me. Doctor, please.
Okay, I'll have to go to the clinic first, okay?
Please go.
Doctor,
hurry.
I'll see you.
Okay, go.
If we create a random monk, oh, but you shot them, no one believe the shot their Saturn. Oh! Yeah, my girl. Huh? Let's get you up on my Mugaka. Oh! Oh, back up. I didn't know. Not the Mongolia Fuji. Not coming above. Ha! Oh, from Madam Yadim, you know, for Belmebu. Ah! After the more meeting go, what again, ma? Eating go. Ha! How? Igwe, I see the dark vulture hovering around your roof.
The dark vulture? What does that mean?
The dark vulture is a patient bird, waiting on the living, knowing that death will surely occur.
Oh no! My daughter will not die! She will not die!
That is left for her to decide, Your Highness.
My daughter? My only child? What are you talking about?
She is under a curse. So also is Akudo, who is lying critically ill as I speak.
A curse?
Yes! A curse from the past. A curse of betrayal.
Betrayal? She could not have betrayed anyone.
That is left for her to say. The vulture is still hovering. He's still knocking, I can see it. There is no time. There is no time!
Did you betray anyone, Adaura?
Speak! Speak, princess! Lest this vulture feast on you.
Adaura, I asked you a question. Did you betray anyone? Huh?
Yes, Dad.
What did you say?
I betrayed my friend, Doka. You did what? It is not possible. How? I betrayed her because I was jealous of her. I was jealous because I wanted Uzoma. So I conspired with Uloma to take Daddy's secret stuff and hide it in a room while she was here with me at the palace.
Oh, gods! The gods forgive me. I banished an innocent girl.
That is not important right now, Your Highness. Udoka must be found, just as she was unjustly uprooted. So shall she be replanted for this sickness to pass.
But where is she?
The answer lies in the palace of the kingdom of Amoria. Udoka must return to Ibueze before this dark vulture will depart, or else she will die.
Your Highness, Udoka must be found. She must be found anywhere she is to save my daughter.
Chasa, oh Chasa. Any answer to your carry she your Uga.
Your Highness, please make sure you bring Udoka back.
Igwe, ife amaghị emelega eme adịghị. Chukwu okike nne nwatakịrị ọ na mbụ o ji akọtọ. Go, may our ancestors be with you. He said, go.
Your Highness.
Your Highness.
You're welcome.
I greet you.
You're welcome.
Greetings to your ancestors.
Your Highness.
My dear, bless you.
Can sit down.
Thank you.
Yes, I got your message. And is everything well with you? You said it was very urgent.
Yes. I thank you, Your Highness, for receiving me at such a short notice. Calamity has struck my royal household.
How? When?
My daughter, my only child, has been struck by a mysterious illness. And my oracle priest pronounces that the remedy to that illness lies here within your palace.
My palace? How?
The oracle priest says that a curse has been placed on my daughter. A curse of betrayal. A curse from the past. Please, Your Highness, do you have a girl here called Udoka?
Udoka? Your Highness, you know I don't have a daughter. And no member of my household bears such a name.
Your Highness, the oracle priest was quite specific. He said she is within your palace. Please help me. My daughter's life is at stake.
Your Highness, the oracle priest might be correct in his pronouncement.
How do you mean?
You have an adopted daughter, Nzopotam. You remember?
Ah, the savior from my gods.
How do you mean?
A stranger by name Olako changed my destiny by saving my life from my detractors. God,
Yes,
call my daughter for me.
Yes, Your Highness.
I should have fallen victim to the schemes of my detractors. She saved my life. So she became my adopted daughter.
Father, you sent for me.
My daughter. Yes, we have visitors from Igweze. Your Highness, my daughter, Zoputam.
Udoka!
Your Highness, my name is Olako from Amante.
My daughter, I know that the kingdom of Igweze treated you badly, had banished you wrongfully. She confessed. She confessed that she conspired with her maid to hide the sacred staff in your room. You see, the truth has come out at last. Please, my daughter is dying, and her life depends on your forgiveness. Please forgive her.
Nzopotam, is your name really Udoka from Igweze? But you told us that your name is Olako from Amanze.
Your Highness, I was betrayed by the one I loved, maltreated and humiliated by my own family, wrongfully banished by my own community. So, I wanted to forget the sad memories of my past and start a new life.
My daughter, the past is the foundation for the future, and you can't run away from it. As the God destined you to save my life, so also fate has interwoven your life with that of the princess.
My daughter, whatever you desire, I shall give you if you will come with me and save my daughter's life.
I do not desire anything from you, Your Highness. I already have my heart desire through my adopted parents. I will not leave Amoria.
Please, my daughter, please. Let the oil of forgiveness flow in your heart, please.
Let the gods that protected you and guided you into my kingdom give you the spirit of compassion, my daughter.
My dear daughter, please, save Adora. Remember your friendship with her. She's all I've got.
I think Buffy Kennedy, Buffy Kemon. If I'm there, was a gun no gunman. Me, none of the folk who don't get into Nagano.
My father is she's barely conscious. Please do something about her.
It is only the forgiving spirit of Udoka, the uprooted girl, that can chase the lurking black vulture away. And the rest, the smell of death. Smell.
Oh, the ancestors save my daughter. Don't let her die. Please don't let her die.
Your Highness. Damn the gods! Damn the ancestors! You are here!
Your friend is dying. They said you are the only one that can save her from that strange illness she's afflicted with. Please, my daughter, save your friend. Save your friend, please.
My daughter, let the spirit of forgiveness reign in your heart, so that the curse that you have placed on my princess can be lifted.
I will not place a curse on anyone in the Highness. I only ask the gods to visit judgment on those responsible for my predicament.
As the gods heard your cries of pain, they shall also listen to your pleas of forgiveness. Only you can reverse the curse.
To err is human, but to forgive is divine. Please.
The gods heard me in my time of pain. Who am I to bear grudge against anyone? I forgive her.
The curse is broken. Call them.
Mom! Mommy!
Adora!
Mommy! Adora!
Oh! Adora!
Adora! Are you alright?
Oh, we thank the gods and our ancestors.
Can you ever forgive me? Can you find it in your heart to forgive me, Udoka?
When I had no one, you were there for me. You remember what you said? You said that our friendship is like a line that continues to stretch, that can never be broken. My friend, I am here for you now. Okay?
I do not deserve to be your friend, Udoka. I don't. I conspired with Oloma to plant my father's secret stuff in your room because I was jealous. Because I was jealous of what you and Ozoma had. I wanted Ozoma. I wanted him. Forgive me.
It's okay. I have forgiven you.
Igwe, my duty is done. May the spirit of our ancestors continue to guide and protect you. I should be on my way.
Go in peace. And you, Uloma, I should have had you banished for deceiving my daughter. But in the spirit of forgiveness, I will give you the privilege of a royal mercy.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you very much. Please forgive me. I'm sorry for all I did to you. Please.
I forgive you. It's okay.
Ada? Udoka. Thank God you're still alive.
Don't you come any closer to me. Uzo, you of all people. You abandoned me when I needed you most. You betrayed the love I had for you.
You know I did not. What was I supposed to do under such circumstance? I didn't even know what to think anymore.
Uzo, you should have trusted me. You should have believed in me. Uzo, you know I never could have stolen the Igwe's stuff.
But all evidence was against you. They discovered the Igwe's sacred staff in your possession. What was I supposed to do?
If you truly had loved me, you would have believed me. You would have trusted me.
I love you, Yuri. And I will always love you.
Udoka, please. Forgive him. It was all my fault. I caused all this. Please.
My daughter, let the spirit of forgiveness prevail.
Udoka, please. Forgive him just like you've forgiven me.
I forgive you, but I will never forget.
What do you mean?
It is very easy to forgive someone, but it is extremely difficult to forget a betrayed love. Uzo, you betrayed me. You broke my heart, Uzo. You hurt me. Why don't you give your love to Ada? I think that the two of you are destined to be together.
That is not true. Udoka, Osama loves you. Osama loves you deeply. Despite everything I did to win his heart, he never stopped loving you. Can't you see? Can't you see that both of you are meant to be together? Can't you see? Udoka, forgive him, please.
If the gods have decreed that we be together, then surely our paths will cross again. But until then, Ada, you've been a good friend. Igwe.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
I have to be doing that.
Thank you. Thank you very much for everything that you've done. May the gods continue to guard and guide you.
Igwe.
Go your peace.
Thank you.
Remember our promise. Io soro mo akubeno alobongi udoka mo ahorongi manya gika mugalo io soro mo akubeno ihe gi osobwe mo
Mona gigebi, yes a room, akubeno, alaikirimgi. Uzamo, edinobi, mona gigebi, yes a room, akubeno, yagi yes a ramo, yagi yes a ramo, yagi yes a ramo. Yes, I like hearing it. Yes, I want. Yes, I want. Yes, I want.
kamugalo iyo soromo akubenu aloborungi
Uzomo idi mumma muna gigebi iyo soromo akubenu ala igirimbi
Udo kamu oromgenanya kikamugalo iyo soromo akubenu iyege asobumo
Uzomo idi nobi muna gigebi iyo soromo akubenu ifegi asobugomo
iyege asobumo iyo soromo